These are two DWDI fans that we are supplying for one of our automotive paint applications. Now why DWDI? Because a double width double inlet fan increases the airflow capacity by at least 30 to 40% with just one motor, which automatically gets both your capital as well as the operational cost down. It consumes much lesser space because you're not increasing the number of fans. The noise levels are lesser, and this special symmetrical airflow brings in more mechanical and geometrical stability, which extends the bearing life. You of course also reduce the power consumption because you're using just one motor for the increased airflow. Now, an automotive company pays a lot of attention to the paint and paint application in their products. In fact, they will classify the area as a hyper-control environmental zone, especially because the environment is slightly more hazardous in the paint area, especially because of the VOCs present in the paint. And so, along with the technology in the paint booth, including the robotics, the paint chemistry, and the SOPs or Six Sigma, but they will also pay very close attention to HVAC parameters in the paint booth. And those include your airflow patterns, your air changes per hour, the temperature and the humidity readings, and of course, the comfort and the well-being of the worker working in the paint booths. Now that makes these fans a very practical choice for larger air handling units, for evaporative cooling units, for fresh air and exhaust units, for industrial plant cooling units, for your paint booth application, and for cooling in your warehouses, amongst other applications. And hence, when we at Atmax Filtration work on designing these ventilation systems, we spend and take a lot of care in sizing the equipment correctly, in selecting the right fan, in doing the duct sizing correctly. And we at Atmax Filtration are an engineering company. We are based out of South Plainfield in New Jersey, and we do a lot of projects in industrial ventilation, in process heating, in process solution, in automation and control. And we can be reached on sales@atmaxfiltration.com.